Dead by Daylight has stopped working. Joj, ale som svinia. No čo, zlatička moje, boli však? Boli a už aj odišli, či nie? Dead by Daylight has stopped working. A problem caused by the program to stop working correctly. Windows will close the program and notify you if a solution is available.